Hey everybody, Jim King Piers, back out here in Grain Valley. Love working out in Grain Valley in the country, out where there's not a lot of traffic. It's just a lot of trees and country and sun. What we've got here is a 3 King Pier 2 project. The stairs here are all one piece and they're tilted. So we're going to put a pier over on this side, one pier there, and a pier on the other side. And we're going to get these totally level. So stay tuned as we make quick work of this. After we get this level, we're going to come up, we're going to patch that top stair there, and we're going to clean this. We're going to patch this right here. This will all be removed and replaced. Stairs will be level. Then we're going to clean the stairs, and we're going to coat it with some waterproofing paint, add some sand to it so there's some textures. We don't want anybody slipping on the stairs and hurting themselves. So yeah, we'll make quick progress of this. Stay tuned. King Piers, Grain Valley, 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.